How to buy your AI-generated domain name. After you've completed the fields, our AI domain name generator will provide you with multiple available ideas. Scroll through them to find your favorites. If you want more suggestions, just click on the Generate More Results button. Found a winner? Great, now let's help you register it. Simply click Add to Cart followed by the Configure button. Want to add additional features like who is privacy or hosting, add it now. Then click on the Proceed to Cart button. Interested in a qualifying deal, you can add it to your cart too. Now, verify your order and click Checkout. At this point, we'll ask you to log into your account or create one if you don't have one. Once logged in, select the appropriate fields and tick the box to accept our terms and conditions. Now click on the Complete Order button. Once successful, the domain will be yours. It's that easy.